Hello and good morning to all of you. I am Neelam Singh. I am here with another session for our Quiz Club children. Children, the topic which I have chosen today for all of you is very interesting and you all find it very exciting. Yes, I am going to talk to you today about cinema. Bollywood. Isn't it very interesting? Yes. Children, before starting the session, let me ask you one thing. Do cinemas always or only entertain us? What will be your answer? No. Cinemas, they don't only entertain us. Our Bollywood industry doesn't only entertain us, but at the same time gives us a lot of information about and a lot of knowledge about our glorious past, our culture, tradition, art forms and social issues. Today, I am not going to talk to you only about Indian cinema or Bollywood. I am going to talk to you about some of the very good, wonderful biopics on Indian freedom fighters. Children, are you aware of what are biopics? Biopics are the films dramatizing the life of a particular person, especially a political or a social figure or a historical figure. Let us understand it in a little different way. Suppose I am an actress and I am going to play the role of Rani Lakshmi Bai in a movie depicting the various events that took place in her life. Then the movie which will come up will be known as a biopic. So, what are we going to talk about today? We are going to talk about Indian cinema as well as our freedom fighters, the biopics. Children, India's struggle for independence will forever be close to our heart. The nation has endured years of oppression and sacrificed millions to find this freedom. Something that hasn't come to India for free. And hence, Bollywood has played its role, its part, by telling us the stories of our freedom fighters again and again, time and again. So let us start the movies which were made on the very wonderful freedom fighters, that is the biopics. So to begin with, to start with, the first one is The Legend of Bhagat Singh. The Legend of Bhagat Singh, which was released on 7th June 2002. It was directed by Rajkumar Santoshi. Music was given by A.R. Rahman, a very well-known personality again. The role of Bhagat Singh was played by Ajay Devgan, and Ajay Devgan also won the National Film Award for Best Actor for this particular film. Now let's see the other side. This was based on Shaheed Bhagat Singh, the legendary freedom fighter who was born on 28 September 1907. Place Banga, that time it was in Pakistan, and he was born in a Sikh family. About Bhagat Singh, children, he was such a great patriot. When Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place, incident took place, he was just 12 years old. One day, instead of going to school, he went to a tragic place, collected some mud from there with some stains of blood of Indians and started worshipping it daily. At the age of 8, he wanted to grow guns in his fields so that he can fight with the Britishers. He was the person who said, "They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they cannot crush my spirit." Great children, great. Next in the list is Sardar, the movie Sardar, which was released in 1993, 4th July. It was directed by Ketan Mehta. The main role was played by Paresh Rawal. This movie bagged the award, Nargis Dutt Award for Best Feature Film on National Integration. Now, it was based on the freedom fighter Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was born on 31st October 1875, place Nadiad, Gujarat, and he won Bharat Ratna in 1991, and Rashtriya Ekta Divas is celebrated on his birth anniversary. Vallabhbhai Patel, because of his iron will, is known as Iron Man of India. Next in the list is the film Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, which was released on 15th December 2000. This movie was directed by Jabbar Patel, and the actor who played the role of Babasaheb Ambedkar was a Malayalam actor, that is Mammootty. Children, B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, was born on 14th April 1981 in Madhya Pradesh. He was our first law minister. He was our first law minister, and he was the father of Indian Constitution and the brain behind drafting of Indian Constitution. Now, next is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the forgotten hero. This movie was released on 3rd November 2004. Music was given by A.R. Rahman, director Shyam Benegal, and the role was played by Sachin Khedekar. This movie also bagged the award of Best Feature Film on National Integration. This was the movie which was based on the life of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He founded Azad Hind Fauj with 43,000 soldiers in 1942 to fight against the British rule. He was a very meritorious student in his college life. So children, you can see how Bollywood gives us a lot of information and a lot of knowledge about our glorious past also, and we should learn from it. Now, as I told you that these movies, now I am going to show you the pictures of these actors who played the main role in these movies. This is Ajay Devgan, who played the role of Bhagat Singh. Then we have Paresh Rawal, who played the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Then we have Mammootty, who played the role of Babasaheb Ambedkar, and Sachin Khedekar, who played the role of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So children, we have a great past, we have a great, we have our Indian Bollywood cinema is great. It's the largest industry in the world, and it is playing its part with a great responsibility. And today, as we have talked about these heroes, so let us have a quick recap of what did we learn today. So I'm going to ask you certain questions now. Okay, you note down these questions and learn. First question: who played the role of Shahid Bhagat Singh in the film The Legend of Bhagat Singh, released on 7th June 2002? Second, who is known as the Iron Man of India? Third, when do we celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti? And the fourth one, who directed the film Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, The Forgotten Hero? Children, they gave us free India. Let us proceed further, keep building a very progressive India, and let us feel proud of our country. Thank you very much.